Yaha! Grunt!
Survival was their only option. They were searching for food. But giants ruled this world. These creatures were massive. They spotted danger ahead. The mammoth's roar was terrifying. The giant chose to attack. The deadliest chase had begun. They ran for their lives. Terror pushed them forward. Every step mattered now.
Hey YOU, want to see more incredible survival stories? Subscribe right now.
The giant's rage was unstoppable. It was getting closer. Even birds fled in terror. The chase seemed endless. He collapsed from exhaustion. Fear filled his eyes. They wouldn't leave him behind. The group kept moving together. He stopped and faced the giant. In its eye, courage was reflected. They raced to get help. He grabbed the massive tusks. The giant shook him violently. They called for help.
Grow! Gra! Gra!
The tribe came running.
If you think we're brilliant survivors, smash that like button now.
Stones couldn't stop the giant. Together, they saved him. They escaped the impossible. Finally, they found rest. They needed higher ground. The climb was dangerous. The giant entered their trap.
What would you do in this situation? Tell me in the comments, I want to know.
Their plan was working. The giant felt real pain. The mighty beast had fallen. Victory echoed through mountains.
Yaha! Grunt!
They claimed their prize. The hunters headed home. Sunset blessed their journey. They reached safety.
This story is incredible. Share it with your friends and subscribe for more amazing prehistoric adventures.
Fire turned victory into food. The feast brought them together. They rested in peace. Night hunters began prowling. They slept peacefully. Wild howls filled the night. The cave kept them safe. Dawn brought new hope. The men went for water. They found wolf tracks. Caution guided their steps. They picked the perfect leaves. Fresh water tasted amazing. They carried water home. Sharing made them stronger. They searched for fruit. Sweet fruit satisfied hunger. Sharing created bonds. The day ended peacefully.